Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix AliExpress order stuck in transit. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So when an AliExpress order gets stuck in transit, it usually means that it's waiting for custom clearance and sitting at a local depot. Or it could also mean that traveling via slow cargo method. So to resolve this issue, what you want to do is simply go ahead and head to your order section. So once you simply go to account, go to my orders and tap on view all, select the specific order and click on view details. Simply go ahead and copy your tracking number from the AliExpress app and use a universal tracking site like 17Track. These platforms will provide deeper details such as the specific local courier handling your package. If that is not the case, you can also try contacting your local courier. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.